Do you struggle organizing your plywood and leftover scraps from projects? I know I do. So today I'm going to fix that problem with a mobile cart that'll organize my plywood sheets and all the scrap wood. Before I even got started, I drew up my plan so I could optimize my time here in the shop. Now if you want the plans for this organizer, I've got a link dropped below in the description. So I've got all the 2x4s cut for the base, and we're going to go ahead and screw those together real quick. We'll then skin it with 1/2 inch plywood and we'll get the casters in place. So if this is the first time that you've watched a Woodshop Mike video, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you see all the projects. So at this point, all the plywood pieces have been cut to size for the scrap wood organization area. The next step is to drill pocket holes using the Craig Foreman, and then I'll assemble all of that as one unit and attach it to the lumber cart. I've just finished drilling all the pocket holes in the scrap wood organizer, so now I'm going to grab my impact driver and get to assembling. Now the scrap wood organizer is all assembled, so what I'm going to do is put a plywood backer onto the dividing wall there on the lumber rack, and then I'll set the scrap wood organizer in place and screw it together. Now this piece ended up being 2 feet wide, 8 feet long, and 5 feet tall. Now my plan for this is I wanted to be able to store my 4x8 and 5x5 sheets without it poking out of the envelope of this cart. Make sure you check out the plans that are linked below and build one for your own shop. Let me know how it works out for you. I hope you enjoyed the project, and hey, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Ah, you're still there. Awesome. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, I got another one queued up for you right here. And if you want other awesome content from me, check out those. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe. And until next time, have fun making something.